Okay, fifth graders, moving on to our phonics work for the day. And again, you will need your My Word Study book. Okay, so feel free to pause this video and go and grab it. All right, and our focus today is to build automaticity. Okay, remember we're trying to read words quicker and easier, and we do this by practicing. Okay, so our focus for today is on page 14. All right, it should look similar to this page. All right, and just like the last time we were working on automaticity, we're going to do a few activities with these words, and then you will practice timing yourself reading these words. All right, so we're going to start with underline the closed syllables in each word. Right? And just in case you've forgotten what a closed syllable is, it's a syllable that ends in a consonant. Okay, it's closing off the vowel. So, for example, the word dentist, the first syllable, den, do you notice it ends in the letter N? It's closing in the vowel. Okay, so you would underline that syllable. That is a closed syllable. Right, and you'll do the same as you read through the words on the automaticity list. Okay, and then we're going to pronounce each word, hopefully with someone, but remember it's always okay to just practice reading these aloud. Okay, so you can practice reading them aloud, and this next one you can practice reading them in your head. And when you are ready, have someone time you for 1 minute as you read these words. All right. Now I'm going to take some time to read the words that are on the bottom of this line aloud to help anyone that's a little hesitant on pronouncing these words. Okay, so if you would like to hear these words read one time, please stay. Okay, if you don't think you need to hear them read aloud, then you can end the video and move on to your work for today. All right, now I'm going to focus in on the words that are below the line. All right, these are multi-syllable words that many contain that closed syllable that we were talking about. So I'm going to start in the first column and read down, and then I'll move to the second and down, and then continue on until I've read each column. So please read along with me. We have insulted, frantic, submitted, unsuccessful, nonfiction, unsuspecting, transmitted, witnesses, upsetting, submitted, instincts, randomly, unsuspecting, unexpectedly, impressive, insulted, instincts, gossiping, magnetic, unhidden, gossiping, sandwiches, transmitted, inexpensive, misadvise, nonfiction, impressive, misadvice, intersection, transplanted, magnetic, publicity. Oh, I'm sorry, I misread that. It's publicly. Witnesses, disconnecting, intersect, unsuccessfully, unexpectedly, inexpensive, disconnecting, distrusting, unhidden, unpublished, upsetting, distrusting, transplanted, frantic, randomly, sandwiches, publicly, unpublished. All right, good luck. Remember, we're working hard to become better readers and writers.